Welcome to the brand new 2022 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 Trail Boss. The Trail Boss is powered by a 5.3 liter V8 engine and made it up to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior: power windows, locks and mirrors, drivability dial, push button 4x4 automatic headlights and fog lights, a leather wrapped steering wheel with cruise control and audio controls, column shifter, push button ignition, nice large 8-inch touchscreen. We do have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, dual zone climate control with heated front seats, push button ignition. Vehicle does have dual glove boxes, as well as our cloth Trail Boss seating up front. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the Silverado Trail Boss, we do have the factory 18-inch wheel and tire package with the Goodyear Wrangler Autotrac all-terrain tires. We have the upgraded running boards there as well for the Silverado, textured, easy, nice and grippy. We have color matched door handles with keyless entry, Z71 branded up front. We have the factory 2-inch lift, giving you room for those big wheel and tire packages on the Trail Boss. Color matched front bumper, grille, LED daytime running lamps, red recovery tow hooks. This is a crew cab, so big cab, rear tinted privacy windows, remote start ready. At the back of the truck, dual chrome exhaust tips, trailer tow package, and LED brake lights. Jumping into the interior here, second row, the cloth 60/40 split. Both end seats are car seat ready with in-seat storage feature. A solid rear window with defrost, extra headroom over top, solid roof, LED lighting, dual USB ports and a 12-volt, as well as rubberized floor liners installed. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the brand new 2022 Chevrolet Silverado. Any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.